Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to craft an irresistible offer, how to target the right audience, and how to create high converting ads. Moving back to how to craft an irresistible offer. Here's the secret. Your ad isn't the most important part. Your offer is. If your offer is weak, even the best ad would convert. A winning ad does three things. One, it solves a real problem. Two, it feels low risk to customer. Three, it creates urgency. So this is an example here. We have free consultation, we have 50% off first season, we have download free guide. This is a formula here. We have solution plus time frame plus low risk. An example, I'm using a B2C here. We have get a brighter smile in 30 days with our risk-free dental whitening solution. So you see, it has the solution, it has the time frame, it also have low risk. Moving to the next part, targeting the right audience. One of the biggest advantages of Facebook and Instagram ads is laser targeting. You don't have to waste money reaching people who will never buy. You can target people according to their location. You can choose the city, the region. You can target people according to their age, their gender. You can also target people according to their interests, businesses, fitness, or whatever they're interested in. You can target people according to their hobbies, everything actually. In the next, I'll be showing you how to implement this. Moving next one, you can see your ad creative and copy are what people see first. If it doesn't grab attention in the first 3 seconds, they will definitely scroll past. Here's the formula for ad copy. One, call out the problem. Two, present your solution. Three, add urgency with a strong call to action. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can implement this and creating a winning campaign. See you in the next video. Bye for now.